The Jamaica Emergency Employment Program, JEEP, is one of the government's strategies for countering chronic unemployment among some Jamaicans, particularly those in lower socioeconomic groups. Persons with special needs, those with low skill levels, and those from underserved communities have been benefiting. The St. Andrew community of Jonestown is among them. Residents of the area have been enjoying an uplifting journey with JEEP that's taking them down the road to a place where critical community infrastructure are in place and the path to financial independence is laid.
It helps out a whole lot of people because enough of the youth them there and really nothing ever go on. So when this come in, the whole community in general have something to do and everybody appreciates it, you know.
Important drainage network and collapsed retaining walls were repaired under the program. In the process, short-term employment was created for the skilled and semi-skilled residents on the various projects.
Well, the program is good enough, it helps a lot of people. Me and get employed, or me employ 3 other persons with me.
It's good for the community. We have lots of people, we have plumber, we have mason and painter who do the work here.
Roadways in the community also got a facelift, and unsightly zinc fences have been removed and replaced with more aesthetically pleasing concrete block walls.
I think it's upliftment of the community, you know, to get rid of the zinc fence and put concrete structure in the walls. They feel good because some of them can't afford the concrete walls and to get rid of the zinc fence, you know. So I think it's very good for them.
When them things are going on, you know, find a man say, boy, I go do this, I go thief, I go, you know, say I have rough gone morning, it's either I go carry some cement and some concrete.
The Jonestown Primary School, located in the center of the inner city community, is regarded as a true community school, serving the heavily populated Jonestown and surrounding areas. But the wear and tear of time has made its mark on the institution's physical infrastructure, until JEEP delivered a well-needed facelift.
This bright look is both internal and external, because all the classrooms have also been repainted. Restored, we're proud of our restored and refurbished classrooms. We're proud of this auditorium, restored and refurbished, and the staff room. The school has a new roof, and the leaking ceiling has been repaired. Our students now have a dining room that opens into a nicely refurbished kitchen. A guidance facility was constructed, complete with 2 private counseling rooms. And thanks to 7 newly installed water tanks and a pump, students and teachers now have a regular, uninterrupted water supply.
The renovation work created short-term employment for about 40 persons. The 2-month project, done at a cost of almost $6 million, is part of a larger development plan to create a more learning-friendly environment at Jonestown Primary.
The current school board of management has undertaken a major redevelopment program which is focused on rebranding the school and restoring excellence on 3 dimensions: educational, physical, and community outreach.
JEEP and the contributions from other agents of change has taken the school closer to achieving these development goals.
The Ministry of Education gave us the initial funds that we used to do the external painting, and it helped us to get us on the way to, started our program. Then the Jamaica Emergency Employment Program, otherwise known as JEEP, which favorably considered our application for funding. We felt that our needs were significant enough to justify the funding, and they came through for us.
For more information on JEEP, call 754-2584 or visit the Ministry of Transport Works and Housing's website, mtw.gov.jm/JEEP.